In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can set Samsung Internet as your default browser. The first step is to open the Settings app on your phone. Once you're on the Settings app, you want to scroll down until you find where it says Apps. So right over here, tap on Apps. And at the top, you can see it says Choose Default Apps. If you tap on that, you'll have the option there at the top. It says Browser App. Tap on Browser App, and then you'll have all the browsers that you have installed on your phone. And for me, I have Chrome and Samsung Internet. So to set Samsung Internet as the default, I just tap on Samsung Internet, and now it is my default web browser. But if I go back again, and they can confirm it there, it says Samsung Internet underneath Browser App. But if I go back, if you're not finding this section here that says Choose Default Apps, what you can do is you can scroll down within your apps and find Samsung Internet. So I'll find S, and right here is the Samsung Internet app. If you tap on that and then you scroll down till you see Browser App there, it'll take you to that same page where you can select Samsung Internet as your default web browser. So that is how you set Samsung Internet as your default web browser. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.